Hey guys, if you wanna host your own custom server in Battlefield 6, you can do it directly from the main menu. On the home screen, scroll down to the left sidebar until you reach community section. Here you can browse different preset experiences. If you want to start quickly, choose any preset from the list and select host. Your customization will launch right away without any extra setup. If you want a fully custom server with your own rules, map rotations, modifiers and more advanced settings, you will need to set that up through the online portal. For that, you can either scan this QR code shown in the game or go to portal.battlefield.com site. Once you are here on portal.battlefield.com, you need to click on start creating option under Battlefield portal. Now click on sign in to continue. Now here we need to sign up with our EA account which we are using on Battlefield 6. Now once you log in here, we need to click on this option right here which is for start editing. Now select default and click on start editing. Right here we need to choose the game time for our server which you can set from 6 minutes to 1 hour. So set that according to you and just click on map rotation. Here we need to choose the maps which we want to use in the server. Let's say I want to use this one. I can just drag and drop this. So just choose the ones which you want to use in your server. Once you do that, click on teams. Now here we need to set a few things like bot spawn type which you can set this on no bots, backfill and static. Then you can choose the number of teams which you want to have on your server. You can increase that from here or decrease that from here. Also you have a couple of things like player damage multiply which you can increase or decrease, then faction, human players, bot count and so on. So just set that up according to your choice. Then just click on this option modifiers at the bottom right. Then similarly we have a couple of options here like aim assist, zoom snap. So you can just turn them on or off according to your choice. So you have a lot of options here like class lock weapons, reload bolt magazine, shared ammo. Just turn that on or off according to your need, and once you're done with this, just click on the soldier option. Now here we have same options again, prone, slide, sprint. So just turn them off or on according to your need. Then click on vehicle. Again we have vehicle settings here, so you can just turn these options on or off. You can also adjust these sliders here for vehicle damage multiplier, vehicle spawn delay multiplier. Once you're done with this, click on user interface at the bottom right. Again adjust the settings and click on bots. Then set the things for bot like AI prone, AI sprint, AI damage multiplier and so on, and just click on the restrictions option. Now right here we need to choose the class, so you can exclude those classes which you don't want to have on your server. Like you can exclude assault class, recon class and whatever you wanna don't include in your server, and just click on weapons. Then here you need to do that same with weapons. You can exclude the guns which you don't want to have on the server like this, and you can click on vehicles. Now same goes with vehicles, just exclude those vehicles which you don't want to have on the server. Now go to gadgets, same goes with here. Then go to rules editor, and right here you can just define the rules for your server. Now go to script. Again by using the script you can create the rules for your server. Click on publish now. Then here on this window we need to enter the name of a server. In my case I'm gonna type LearnLite, so you can choose your name whatever you want to type for your server. And once you do that, you need to enter the description. If you want to type, I'll just leave that as it is. You can go for tags as well. And once you're done with this, just click on step 2. Here you need to choose the image, or you can say thumbnail for your server. In my case, the one which I would love to use is this one. Select that and click on step 3. Now here at the last we have preview of our server. So if you're happy with this, just click on create new. And you can see that the experience is now saved. So click on submit to publishing. And yeah, there you go, the server is now published. Now we can just go to this option back to projects, and right here you'll able to see the project which we have created, or you can say the server which we have created. In order to see this server on your Battlefield 6, open the game, go to community option, scroll, and you're gonna see this option my experiences. Click on that, and yeah, there you go, this is the server which we have created. That's all you need to do to host a custom server in Battlefield 6. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.